In this video, I'll show you how to export contacts from Constant Contact to Mailchimp step by step so you can move your list safely and keep everything organized. This is a really useful process if you're switching email platforms, backing up your subscribers, or just want to manage your contacts in Mailchimp instead. I'll walk you through the Constant Contact export, then the Mailchimp import, and I'll make sure you know exactly what to click at each stage. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Constant Contact. Once you're signed in, look for the contacts area in the dashboard. This is where all of your contact lists are stored, and it's the starting point for exporting your subscribers. When you're on the contacts page, use the checkbox near your contacts to select the records you want to move. If you want to export everything, make sure you select all contacts in the list. If you only want a specific group, you can choose just those contacts instead. After selecting the contacts, click Export Selection. This tells Constant Contact that you want to download the chosen contacts into a file. On the next screen, scroll down and click Export. Constant Contact may give you a few export options, but for this process, the goal is to create a file you can upload into Mailchimp. Once the export is ready, click Download. That will save your contacts file to your computer. Now that your contacts have been exported from Constant Contact, the next part is moving them into Mailchimp. Open a new browser tab and go to Mailchimp. Sign in using your Mailchimp account credentials. After logging in, find Audience in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where Mailchimp stores all your subscriber lists and imported contacts. Inside the Audience section, click Add Contacts. From the available options, choose Import Contacts. This opens the import workflow, which is what we'll use to upload the file we just downloaded from Constant Contact. Next, select Upload a File, then click Select a File, browse your computer, and choose the CSV or Excel file you exported. After you pick the file, click Continue. Mailchimp will now review your uploaded file. If the file uploads successfully, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Continue to move on. At this stage, you may be asked whether you want to organize your contacts with tags. Tags are optional, but they can be very helpful if you want to separate customers, leads, newsletter subscribers, event attendees, or VIP contacts. If you want to use tags, add them here. If not, you can skip this step and keep going. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to verify the field mapping. This is an important step because it makes sure the columns from your Constant Contact file match the correct Mailchimp fields. Check that email address is mapped correctly and make sure first name and last name line up with the right columns too. If anything looks off, adjust it before continuing. Taking a moment here helps prevent messy imports and missing information later. Once everything looks correct, review the import summary. Double-check the selected audience, the uploaded file, the field mapping, and any tags you added. When you're sure everything is right, click Finalize Import. Then click Complete Import to finish the process. Mailchimp will import your contacts, and your Constant Contact list will now be available in your Mailchimp audience. And that's it. You've successfully exported contacts from Constant Contact and imported them into Mailchimp. This is a simple way to transfer your email list without losing valuable subscriber data. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.